Welcome back, everyone. Okay, let's get the rest of this cockpit lit up. Welcome back, everyone. Okay, let's get the rest of this cockpit lit up.
Okay, so I'm going to get the top cap here of the bridge. I'm going to get the lighting in here first. So I'm going to have 5mm white LED in here. That'll light up this section here. And then a couple more LEDs here and here. That'll light up all in here. And then put the cap in place. So I guess I'd like a LED there, and one right about here. That'll just light up all this area here, and it should be just fine.
All right, I got 3 white 5mm LEDs. Now I'm going to grind them down so they're flat and put them in place. Okay, those are ready to go. Now, what I need to do here is find out where I need to place them to give the best lighting for each section. Just gonna see how this sits on here. Okay, so this one can go right here in the center. Okay. And those two can go right back here. I just gotta tie these in together. Okay, so I got the 360 ohm resistor on there. Everything's all tied in. Let's put this in place here and see how bright it is. I might need to reduce the resistor, but I'm not sure.
Okay, lights up nicely. Looks good.
Okay, let's tie that down. While that other part is setting, let's get the navigation lighting in place. I got 4 reds, 4 greens, and 2 whites. So I'm getting the red ones in place first. The reds go on this side of the ship, greens on that side, and the whites in the center. So that's all the lighting there, and there that I need for the bottom. Just need to run fiber optics going from the holes to the LEDs now. Okay, so I got the heat shrinks here to help to guide the fiber optics to the LEDs. And I got the fiber optics here ready to go. Okay, I got 360 ohm on the green, 470 on the white, and 2 470s on the red. So that's what I got there. That's just to help even out the power distribution. Now for the rear ones here, they don't actually flash. They're on. So they get connected directly to the 5-volt regulator. So these ones here, just got to tie all these together. And then I think the bottom is pretty much done for lighting. Okay, got the top here done now. Looks good. Got the wiring all ready here for hooking up. So now the only other thing I need to do on this one is get the flasher circuit built and put in right about here. That's all I need to do, and we're just about ready to put these halves together. Okay, so I got 2 SMDs here for the forward and aft torpedoes that fire. So I got the forward torpedo here, just got to drill a small hole there for the wiring to fit through. It's just coming out here, and then the back out there. And then we get those. Oh, and there's 470 ohm resistors on those as well. Alright, so I got this all in place here. It's firing. I got this one here for the other side. And I'm going to be using a 40 mil fiber optic line here. It's just going right up to the bulb here. So this side's still lit up, but it's not firing. Same with the aft here. I got this here, and I have 470 ohm resistors on those reds. And just run a line up to it, and it takes care of that one. And it takes care of pretty much all the lighting there. So these here and this one get tied into the 5-volt regulator directly. So I'm going to tie these two together and then run a line to the regulator. Okay, I got the lines here that I need. Just going to get these set here, tied in with this set, and then from there to there. Okay, so I got the lines all tied together. Got this other line coming up here. Got all the grounds tied together, grounds from the main lighting, grounds for these other lights here on the back, and the torpedo lights, everything all tied in there. It's going to put the ground on the regulator here right now. And then the positive out. Okay, so now this is tied in to the main power here. Do a quick test here to see if everything turns on. Yep, that's on. Torpedo thingy is on. I'm gonna use a clear red over top of that. Still got to run the lines to these right here. This is all on now. This is good. Okay. All right. It's not heating up. That's good. That's good. All right. Just got to run the fiber optics, and then the torpedo stuff are all done. Okay, another quick light test here. There we go. A nice little red there being fired out. Looks good. Same with the rear. Not bad. Okay. All right. Now the next thing we need to do is put together the flasher circuit, and I will leave a link down below on how to put that together. And there we go. And I have a 1000 microfarad capacitor on there. Got my transistor, 3 1K resistors. That's about all you really need. Okay, I just need to install the wiring for the positive and negative wires, and then the wires for that hook up to the LEDs. Got to get hooked on there, and it's ready for installation. Blinking nicely. Okay. All right. So that's done out of the way now. I just need to get something in here for the light to shine through on there and there. Okay, what I did here is I just put some clear tape on the back here, Scotch tape, and then used my glue gun and filled it in. And you can see it all clouded over. It's perfect. And next I'll paint the backs here with the clear red, and then when the light turns on it'll appear red. There you go. You got the blue section there where the light shines through. Also shines through this area here. I just need to get, probably just use my glue gun, fill that area in, and then color it the blue color. All right, time to get these put together. Alright, the ship is all but done. I just got a lot of painting here to do on it. Okay, I'm going to start up with the little body paneling in here. Going to be using this lighter gray. Or is it darker? A little bit darker on the panels. And just keep going like that all the way around and around the rest of the body here. And yeah. Alright, now we got to put the stand together. I 3D printed a stand here. So I got the plug to put in and the switch. Let's get that done. Alright, so I'm going to be using this here to put a hole in right around here for the plug. Now to get the switch in place. Alright, those are in place now. Just got the stand part here. Now, I made this hole just a tad bit smaller than this. So I'm going to use this and drill down just part way down. I don't want it to go all the way down. That way there's a little ridge for this thing to sit on. So let's get that done. And you got this power plug here, which will go right on the very top there, slide down inside. Got heat shrink on there because you don't want this metal touching this because it'll short everything out. All right, let's get that in place. We're going to get all of this wired up now. And that's all there is to it. That's it for this build, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. It was fun putting together. Please like, subscribe, comment, don't forget to share, and click that notification bell for any future uploads. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.